So this song's called Dartboards and Barstools, and it's a song about singing to empty rooms.
Yeah, it's about singing to dartboards and bar stools, and it's devoted to all the musicians out there who also sing to empty rooms. I don't feel myself irregular, inadequate, a future out of reach. I should grow up, suit up, give up, and face the daily grind. Forget my dreams of a stage and show, leave it behind for the regular, the adequate. I don't feel myself, can't do this on my own. Strength from within, body in me is just bones. No, I don't feel myself. Remind me who I am and pull me through. What is the point if we can't play, if no one hears? Open our eyes and never screen, never send no reply. We face the algorithm. One more follow, one more water. Leave it behind for the next show, the next opening. We don't feel ourselves, can do this on our own. Strength from within, but in us is just bones. No, we don't feel ourselves. Remind us who we are and pull us through. Pull us through. If we're dancing for dartboards and serenading stools, we'll laugh and we'll drink and we'll revel like fools. So we just keep on playing. What else can we do? We live it, we breathe it, we're coming for you. If we're dancing for dartboards and serenading stools, we'll laugh and we'll drink and we'll revel like fools. So we just keep on playing. What else can we do? We live it, we breathe it, we're coming for you. If we're dancing for dartboards and serenading stools, we'll laugh and we'll drink and we'll revel like fools. So we just keep on playing. What else can we do? We live it.